Hi everyone, welcome back to Anna Corner. Today we are making a beef pasta. It's fast and very easy to cook, so let's get started. First, boil the pasta. While we wait, let's make the sauce. Mix the sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Add the chili sauce and oyster sauce. Stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Now, stir fry the beef. Add the onions and cook until they are soft. Add the cooked pasta into the pan. Pour the sauce all over it, then add beef bacon. Finally, add the eggs and green onions. Toss everything together until it's perfectly coated. Serve it with fresh cucumber and tomatoes for a nice crunch. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!